What's up everyone and welcome back to you on the Moonchart channel. We did the exact move we was looking for here, so if you missed that show, I don't know how this is possible, because if you're following my videos, I give you this target this morning, and no, I'm absolutely not joking at all. This was this morning, and you see here my face behind here. This was the exact target we planned this morning. This is the exact target we planned this morning. This is just crazy how respected that have been. This is insane, really insane. As you can see here, the levels we planned with VIPs. So if you watch it to the end here, you was also aware of these targets here we was looking for with VIPs, and this is, we have done an approach on this level. This is just absolutely insane. Why? Because on the Discord server 2 days ago, if I'm not mistaken, 2 days ago, I have done a video for VIPs and core subscribers on the website to just show them how to approach and how to trade the targets we are planning with VIPs, and this is just insane, because this, I'm just showing to people all the reactions we do on levels. When we approach levels, all the different possible way we approach that, the data we want to get to open a trade, and what we want to see clearly. This was an approach we have seen 2 days before. Okay, 2 days before this happened today. This was a level planet. I'm not joking at all. Look at the video here. Okay, look at the video here. This was daily plus daily negative path control here. Look at the price on the right here, and then this is the exact same price, exact same level here, and we have done exactly the same move than what we have. I mean, what I was recording clearly 2 days before, just to show you how we can approach this and how we can trade that clearly. And after that, boom, move it to the downside, move it more, and this is just pretty insane. So if you want to learn this kind of content, really do just to learn how to trade all of this, how to approach the levels, the targets we plan with Elliott Wave, more of this, you just have to go on the Mooncharts website. You can learn also for free, by the way, if you go in the course section here. So you just have to go in plans to create an account with a free upgrade or with an upgrade, by the way. Yes, by the way, I fixed the problem, you know, with PayPal. I don't know what happened clearly with PayPal, but it was bugging with some error and some few stuff like this. I don't know why. So now when you get in plans, I'm just going to show you that. Oh my god, what the fuck is happening? Wait, is this a bug or? Alright, it was a bug. Oh my god. Anyway, so if you're going to plans here, you just have to go right there. I'm just going to test, you know, with a core subscriber here upgrade. I just want to, yeah, no, okay. Now we have, I mean, I added Stripe and not PayPal anymore, because PayPal, I don't know, they did an update, and now it's fully bugged. So you can now pay by crypto and by not only Bitcoin but cryptocurrencies, and Stripe, so by card directly here on the website. I didn't check it how to do it after that, but you will get the Stripe page normally and all the stuff like that. Okay, so then you will unlock, of course, this beginner course. I mean, all the stuff here, you will see all of this, but you will be, for example, as a free member, you will not get, for example, this PDF. You will get only this Elliott Wave course number 1, 2, and 3. That is already extremely important if you want to learn Elliott Wave. You're going to know all the base of the Elliott Wave, or the Elliott Wave technical analysis. Then you are going to get all of the Fibonacci relation, how to use the extension tool, how to use the retracement tool, and then the basics patterns here, for example, I mean, so to speak, the ABC flat, I mean the ABC zigzag first of all, and then the ABC flat. Okay, the different kind of flat here. This is what you're going to get as a free member. Now if you want to upgrade for another, for example, as a core subscriber, or for example as a VIP, you're going to unlock this PDF, for example, and all the course clearly with all of these quiz below, a PDF where we go straight to the point. We do not, when we avoid clearly big sentence, we just, I mean, there is of course some sentence because I have to describe some few stuff, but otherwise really these are not really long sentence. It's just really what you have to know clearly. Okay. So and yeah, all of these ExoCharts course, where 2 days before, I mean 2 days ago, I really did a video on how to approach, I mean the level approach clearly, know the different ways to approach a level and know data we want to get. So it's not only the way we approach these levels, so this is a typical reaction we do on level, but also the data behind the market you want to get to open a trade. And this I share it with VIPs. If you go on the VIP chat here, I clearly, I mean, I shared a screenshot to say, hey, that was nice, that was good to take a shot here. That was absolutely fine. This is just really insane. Really, this is just insane. So yeah, level approach here, and yeah, they're just pretty insane. Anyway, so now let's jump into this technical analysis. So yeah, we have seen this morning, as you can see here on this screenshot, by the way, maybe a bit before here when we have planned that. Okay, have planned this target on the very high. Now we did the rejection. Okay, so here right into the target. As I said, we can absolutely go higher. This is not a problem at all. As soon, I mean, we just should retrace here if we're going to follow the wave. Of course, we have to get acceptance. If we have to push higher, we just push higher, and we are going to recognize that, for example, with the order flow. Okay, with the order flow here, we can be aware of that. For example, here we got a lot of longs opening into the move to the upside here, because yeah, people are longing into the resistance. That's something also that is not at all to do. Okay, it's something that is really not at all to do. You can see by yourself, we just did a move to the downside here. And yeah, if you want to learn this order flow, of course, this is available on the website too. You just have to go and check out the MOONCHARTS part on the website, and you will be able to learn that. And with VIPs, I'm live in front of you every single day for an hour and more to explain you this order flow. And I'm doing also a short version if you do not have time to watch the update, for example, because yes, I'm updating also Bitcoin before to talk about the order flow, to show how to take trades extra, and I'm also doing a short version on the website. I mean, I'm sure we can go what at this. Let me check that. Oops. If you go here, for example, in the VIP daily MOONCHARTS update here, for example, the 2-day one, okay, right there, we have the live stream, okay, for an hour, for example, here, an hour and 40 minutes here. 14 minutes by the way, and 10 minutes here, where of course we planned the target high here this morning, and we was looking to take the high here first of all. Okay, so we took the high, we went into the second target, and after that, when we did a move to the downside, as we was looking also for, we were looking for clearly also on the channel. So that's why this is just pretty insane. But yeah, from here, so now what we can do, okay, we can add these 5 ways. This is pretty cool. Be careful still, because on a bigger time frame, if you watch at this, for example, on the 8 hours, normally a wave 1, okay, you have to get the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 after on the RSI, with a divergence from the wave 3 and 5. For now, if we're in a wave 5, we're going to do the last push down here. But be careful. Why? Because the wave 4 cannot break the wave 2. And here, if you watch at this is a wave 4, okay, and with the wave 4, we have broken the wave 2. So all depends of the time frame you're looking at this pattern. For example, here on the 12th hour, the wave 4 do not break the wave 2. So that's why which one is going to play out, we don't know. Only time will tell us. Is this just a small retracement to push high after that? I don't know. Only time will tell us, and we absolutely don't care if this is just a retracement to push higher. Why? Because we have taken profit. We have set our stop loss on entry, and we are long because I give you targets for long here, and we are long from here. So we are long, we are short. We head on the market. That's absolutely okay if we just stop it out on a trade. The only thing we have to do is to think about the next trade, what we're going to do when we're going to be stopped out. What we have to think about, can we re-enter when we are stopped out on the market? For example, here, if you place it along, am I going to re-enter here, or am I going to wait for lower? Okay, this is the only thing I have to do here. So anyway, here, if we follow the wave, just to tell you that you just have to be careful with this wave 1, 2, 3, or 5, because as I say, the context is really weird. Okay, I'm not going to lie, this is really weird. So these waves can be also something else. We're not going to jump into more details here. Okay, we're going to update that if we have to update this, but otherwise we're just going to stick to these 5 ways down. Okay. So for now, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 with this ABC flag was looking at already when it was on the very low here, and before, by the way, we always plan this kind of move because we can do every single correction. This is also a possibility in wave 4. We have done the max, we have reached the maximum target here, and we find our move to the downside now. That is a really good move to the downside. From here, what we have to do, we just have to pull a fib, okay, like this, from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 bottom to the wave 4 retracement top. So let's take the case that the top is here. Normally it's the top. Okay, so once we have done this, you will find the first target 6.8. This is the first target the wave 5 have to reach normally. Okay, now a truncated wave, so a wave 5 stop before the wave 3 is less likely. So this is the first target, but normally we should go to the next one. So next one result to a double bottom, not really truncated if you take this one here before the wave 3 bottom, but it will result almost to a double bottom. So this one is still absolutely valid. That will result to maybe a swing failure pattern or something of the previous low, for example. Now, if we do not stop here around there, okay, we can look towards the next target with the confluence of the low of the range, okay, the low of the triangle here. There is not a triangle, by the way, because the triangle is like this, A, B, C, D, E, okay, and not like this, A, B, C, D, E, because otherwise we will get a drop, and this is not possible to fake the triangle breakout and move it down next. No, this is not possible. So this triangle it can be only like that, A, B, C, D, E, okay, but we still have this trend line here that is important in confluence, an important trend line, because a lot of people have this triangle on their charts. So that's why this trend line is important. Now, these are the 3 first targets. If we have to go more down, we can look towards this target here, okay. Now be careful, because Yeah, I'm not going to jump into more details. Yeah, I'm not going to jump into more details. But yeah, this was just to update you that really quickly, okay, really quickly to show you how you can predict this market like really crazy. If you find, I mean, if you use Excel charts, first of all, if you use Excel chart with, for example, sessions, with, for example, TPO, with, for example, the order flow, with daily income of control, all the stuff like this, you will just, if you understand how to use all of these tools and how to approach these tools, in addition to Elliott Wave, more of this, you have the context with Elliott Wave, you have a possible, you have a, this gives you some just extremely big and strong plan. This is just crazy, really crazy. Okay, so anyway, hope you all enjoyed. As always, if you enjoyed, to thank me or to support my work I'm giving to you, don't forget to smash that like button. It's extremely important. If you want to, I'm keep doing this kind of update, let me know in the comment section down below or on the Discord server. You just have to click on the in the description. And I just want to go here, YouTube, and yeah, you just have to go, just write something down below if you want, for example in the comment section here, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to turn on notification, to smash that like button, and yeah, that's all really. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed. Take care of it. It's extremely important. Hope you are making nice gains. Don't forget your stop loss, don't forget to take profit. It's extremely important. Can we do another push to the upside here? And as I said, if we push to the upside, this is absolutely not a problem, because we took profit, we refunded our fees, we are making money in addition to that, because when we took profit, we at the same time refund our fees and making money, we make money in addition to that. Okay, so this is extremely cool. More of this, we have our stop loss set on entry, so we cannot lose money anymore here, and we are long from here and here with VIPs. So now we are just gold here, and we can just chill a bit and wait for to be stopped out somewhere and to think about the next trade. We have of course already the plan with VIP. If we have to push higher, of course we have to be ready for that, and if we go below here, we already have the plan. Okay, so, and you have the plan too. If you have to go more down here, you know targets. Okay, so anyway, take care of you. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to let me know, I mean, to tell me if you enjoy this kind of content. And I'm pretty bad to end these videos. Anyway, take care, hope you enjoyed, and see you in another one. Cheers.